Recipe for avocado and strawberry salad. Today our chef Afsan came with another healthy avocado salad recipe for lunch or dinner in hot summer. Ready? Okay, avocado and strawberry salad. 2 ripe avocados, peeled, pitted, and sliced. 2 cups fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced. 4 cups mixed salad greens. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup sliced almonds. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large salad bowl, combine the mixed salad greens, avocado slices, and strawberry slices. Sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese and sliced almonds over the salad mixture. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and gently toss until all the ingredients are well coated. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serve the avocado and strawberry salad immediately as a refreshing and nutritious dish. Nutritional benefits of avocado and strawberry salad. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats, which can contribute to heart health and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. They are also a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins C, E, K, and various minerals. Strawberries are low in calories and high in vitamin C and antioxidants. They are also a good source of dietary fiber and provide a natural sweetness to the salad. Mixed salad greens such as lettuce, spinach, or arugula are low in calories and rich in vitamins A, C, and K. They also provide dietary fiber and other essential nutrients. Feta cheese adds a tangy and salty flavor to the salad. It is a good source of calcium and protein, but should be used in moderation due to its higher sodium content. Sliced almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense addition to the salad, providing healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamin E, magnesium, and other beneficial nutrients. Lemon juice adds a refreshing citrus flavor to the salad. It is rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and aids in collagen production. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that provides monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It adds a smooth texture and rich flavor to the salad. This avocado and strawberry salad offers a combination of flavors, textures, and nutrients. It is a great choice for a light and satisfying meal or as a side dish. Enjoy its vibrant colors and the health benefits it provides. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting content. Stay tuned for more captivating videos that will entertain, educate, and inspire you. Together, let's create an amazing community of passionate viewers. Subscribe now and be a part of our growing family.